Hello everyone. Today we summited Mount St. Helens and went on a hike in Gifford Pinchot National Forest, Lewis River Falls. Mount St. Helens is actually an active volcano. The last time a major eruption happened was in 1980. Nowadays it's a popular hike and you could see the steam come out at the center of the crater. This was the first time I've ever been up a volcano or ever seen a volcano. I took the Ptarmigan trail up to Mount St. Helens. The summit to Mount St. Helens is about an 8-mile hike with 4,500 feet of elevation gain. Luckily, the day I was hiking, the weather was pretty good. I was able to see Mount Hood and Mount Rainier. It was a partly cloudy day and I was able to see the sun rise as I was hiking up Mount St. Helens. Throughout the hike, you go through different sort of landscapes. You start in the forest area. As you're climbing Mount St. Helens, you'll reach a cool little area, which apparently is the Earth Scope Observation Station. It's where they monitor the seismic activity around Mount St. Helens. Luckily, a lot of snow didn't fall yet, so I didn't need microspikes. Having poles were definitely helpful on the way up and down. When you get to the top of Mount St. Helens, you're able to see the dome of the volcano. If you look closely at the center, you can also see it smoking a little bit. It was a wonderful hike to summit Mount St. Helens, and I would recommend it to anybody. Definitely take your time and pace yourself. Also bring some good food with you. My friend made some poke, and eating it at the top was definitely a morale booster. You'll need to make a reservation in order to summit Mount St. Helens. All reservations can be made at recreation.gov. After getting back to my car, I drove over to Lewis River Falls. I've been to Lewis River Falls before. It's a beautiful hike and you get to see 3 different falls. The Lewis River Falls Trail is about an 8.5-mile trail and it has barely any elevation gain. This time I only filmed the lower falls. I think this time of the year it was very dry, so the lower falls was pretty weak. Regardless, it was pretty nice. I definitely recommend everyone to camp here and try the hike. All 3 falls are beautiful. If you enjoyed my hike and would like to see more in-person footage, check out my Instagram. All the gear that I brought on my hike is listed below in the descriptions. Leave a comment if you want any tips or have questions about the hike. I hope you enjoyed today's hike and I'll see you next time.